Do you need a unique course topic to be able to succeed? No. And believing that is what is keeping you stuck and from being able to launch that course and start helping people and making an impact in your business right now. So let's move on from that perfectionism and procrastination and get you moving. So, how do we validate your course topic? So, step number one is I want you to go and open YouTube. When you open YouTube, type in your keywords about your particular topic in the search bar. And then I want you to see what kind of content comes up. If there's content, videos, or topics coming up around course topic, that means other influencers, other coaches, other trainers, other educators are educating on your particular course topic. That means people are actively searching for content around that, and creators are making content that answers those questions that people have, that your audience has about that particular topic. That means there is demand. So that validates your course topic, right? Step number two, to help you to really be able to stand out in the marketplace, is to look at that content and identify what is missing in that content. I want you to look through the content, read through the comments below that particular video, and see what the consumers are saying. See what your ideal client is saying about that particular content. Are there questions that are coming up where your audience still seems confused about it? Are they still needing more clarity about a particular piece of the topic being taught? That is your opportunity to identify that gap, and then for you to go out there and close that gap by creating content that solves that problem, that answers those unanswered questions through the content that you share. Because once you have identified and you validated that your course topic is something that your audience is interested in, step number two, now that you have understood what those questions are, unanswered questions that your audience still has about that particular topic, step three then is for you to go away and create content that solves that teaches it in a new and a better and a clearer and more simple way. People don't want really long courses anymore. They don't want year-long programs. They want micro content, fast, actionable content that is clear, that helps them get a result right now without spending hours or weeks or months or longer to be able to get those same results. So think about how you can solve that problem quicker. Think about your step-by-step methodology and how you are able to solve that problem and be the most helpful person in the room, providing solutions to the questions that your audience has right now. That's going to help you stand out in the marketplace. That's going to help you build authority in your space for the problem that you solve right now. People want clarity and they want confidence to be able to take action, right? They want to be inspired. They want to know that everything that they're learning that is directly implementable. So give them those step-by-step actions that they can take today to be able to get the result that they're looking for through your content. If you need some more guidance on this, download my Ultimate Course Creation Planner. That's going to walk you through every step you need to take to be able to plan and create your online course and get it ready to launch. And if you would like some more support with that, I invite you to come and join us in Ultimate Course Creation Hub. This is your step-by-step membership to be able to monetize your expertise and use simple systems, strategy, tech, AI, and automations to be able to create, launch, and scale your online course and coaching business today. Look for the link in the comments below, and we'll see you over there.